Ion channel receptors or ionotropic receptors. These ion channel receptors are present on the surface of cell membrane, and these are directly coupled to the ion channel. Whenever an agonist binds with the receptor, this ion channel opens and the flow of ions will happen, which will lead to depolarization or hyperpolarization. These are also called as receptor operated channels because the actions of these receptors are not linked to any transduction cascade. It's just so simple that the agonist binds with the receptor, the channel opens, and the flow of ions takes place, which causes depolarization or hyperpolarization. It is just that simple, and there are no transduction cascades. And whenever an agonist binds with the receptor, it opens the ion channel. Whenever an antagonist binds with the channel, it prevents agonist from opening the ion channel. And whenever an inverse agonist binds with the channel, it closes the opened ion channel. Some of the examples of ion channel receptors are nicotinic receptor, GABA A receptor, glutamate receptor, and glycine receptor. Coming to the kinase linked receptors, these kinase linked receptors are directly linked to tyrosine kinase enzyme. Some of the examples of kinase linked receptors are receptors for insulin and various growth factors. Whenever an agonist binds with the receptor, it activates enzymes, and some conformational changes will be caused in the receptors. These conformational changes will cause dimerization of receptors, that is, two receptors will come together to form a dimer. Then the autophosphorylation of tyrosine residue of that receptor will take place. This autophosphorylation will cause coupling of SH2 domain of GRB2 protein, which causes cellular response. This is how the kinase linked receptors work.